Good morning, YouTubers. Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Well, selling Rosh Hashanah, buying Yom Kippur almost worked perfectly as we talked about last week. Market was up over 100 points yesterday, and I think now heading into the remainder of the week, you know, they may go try and challenge that 1180 level, but still, I'm a believer that you're not going to sell me the fact that we're going to go through really September, which we basically have now, and then October without being unscathed. I don't consider that 40-point pullback we had in the S&P cash anything of significance or real any corrective activity. So I'm still on the lookout for more corrective activity. I'm going to be looking to play the market from both sides as I always do. One idea I want to share with you here that we talked about last week is I said be on the lookout for UNG, a push above 12 for a breakout. Well, we never really got that. We did trade to 1203 a few days back, but we never got the push above and the close above. So now you got an opportunity with Nat Gas down 15 cents on the day and the UNG trading around 1140. You got an opportunity to get back in. I'd look at being a buyer here into the upper 10s. That's my ideal buying spot, is in the upper 10s. But I do look going into the fall time, I do still anticipate a breakout in the UNG, and I think natural gas is going to be a big winner going forward. A couple ideas I want to share with you heading into today. One is Clorox, ticker symbol CLX. You take a look at it on the charts. It had a nice spike here 5 days ago, printed up over 60. Now we're back around 59. The pattern looks dynamic here. A push above 59.5 looks very intriguing to me. Another one, DECK. We've talked about this one here for a period of time here. Above 85.25, below 81.75. Breakout, breakdown based on those two numbers. The stock's been very resilient, just holding up in here. And another stock I want to share with you heading into earnings this evening is Nike. NKE. If the stock starts pushing above 60, it's a clear breakout on the charts. It's got a real nice W pattern going back to the end of May. Take a look at it. Of course, always, as I say, be careful with earnings. Maybe you might want to put a call spread on, buy the 60, sell the 65s. Just an idea. But again, the chart suggests higher prices. You start pushing the stock above the $60 level. It looks like it is ready to take off to the upside. Beyond that, I've got nothing else to say other than the futures are trading up 3 3/4 points here on some positive economic news. The Case-Shiller Index just came out here. So we'll have to see how the market plays itself out today. If we get a higher opening here today, which it certainly looks like based on the S&P futures, I'm going to look to short something here. I'm not quite sure just what. I want to see some tape action. But again, if you want to see exactly what I'm doing, I would advise you to go to our site, take advantage of our 1-week trial, no credit cards, no nothing. You'll be able to see us trade here on a daily basis, live webcast, and you'll get all kinds of great trading ideas throughout the day, as well as our swing trade alerts while being a trial member even. So go to our site, take advantage of our trial, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. I thank you for tuning in. I'll try and be back later this afternoon with a closing commentary.